Okay guys, concerning the dogs community gift first campaign that I recently introduced to my community, today I completed the 100 level. That is level 100. I completed it today, and guess what happened? I guess they are taking me to a whole new level. All right, so they are taking me, let's read this together right now. So they said premium level unlocked. Okay, now what awaits me are what I'm going to be saying afterwards. So they said right here, 100 new levels of gifts and prizes have been opened, 3x odd on all main giveaway wins. All right, so now basically I just completed it from level 1 to level 100. So in case you are wondering what happens when you finish playing the game, this is exactly what you should be expecting. All right, so and if you haven't started the airdrop, the game, the link is going to be right there on the video description box. Okay, so I just completed from level 1 to level 100, so we are now going to a whole new level. Okay, so now let's go there together. So I just decided to record this so that you know what to expect in case you reach level 100. Okay, so I'll press this button right now saying cool. When I press it right now, let's see what we're supposed to have right here. Okay, so here we are right now. You can see the color right here was red before. Now it has changed to something like purple, and you can see I'm currently on the premium level, and I now have 3x chances of getting picked as one of the winners. So currently you can see I'm now on level 101, and I think this ran until level 200 again. Okay, right here you can see it ran until level 200 again. So the game just keep on, once you just finish playing one, you go to a whole different level. So I think getting to level completing this level is going to be a little bit hard, but still I'm going to be trying my possible best to actually get that done. All right, so as you all know, this is a Christmas giveaway coming from the dogs. Dogs community is that type of airdrop that paid the community massively on the previous time. All right, so right now I will just go ahead to claim this. Okay, as usual, this is going to be calculating, and randomly I'm going to be giving a gift. Okay, so I will collect the prize right now, and I will head back to the game. And over here on the game, I just have to keep on playing, guys. I mean, it's crazy, but we just have to get that done. All right, so in case you're wondering what happens after playing the game, this is exactly what you should be expecting, and that is just it. I think I just want to be showing you guys this right now so that you know what to expect and when to expect it. All right, so thank you guys for watching the video, guys, and we keep on playing the game, and at the end of the day we will see what is going to happen. All right, so thank you for watching, and keep playing the game, and lucky enough we are going to be sharing from the $400,000 that is going to be distributed to random persons who are currently playing the game. All right, so thank you, and I'll be talking to you on the next video.